Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to boost TikTok video quality to HD to 4K secret setting. First of all, record in 4K or 1800 1080p pixels. Next, try using your iPhone's native camera app. After that, in TikTok, go to upload, and then go to more options and turn on upload HD. Make sure you're on fast Wi-Fi connection to avoid automatic compression, and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, post your video. Safety tip: avoid uploading huge files on limited data. Wait for Wi-Fi. Quick fix: if quality is still low, export your video in a lower but still high resolution. Then upload, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok quality